Hello and welcome to the inaugural episode of GLA Media Scoop TV with me, Anmol Nagpal. I'm thrilled to bring you the latest highlights from GLA University in this monthly update. Let's take a look at the top stories from the past month. To begin with, on December 17, GLA University hosted its prestigious 13th convocation ceremony, celebrating the hard work and achievements of its graduates. The ceremony was graced by the esteemed chief guest, Dr. Anil Sahasrabudhe, Chairman of the National Education Technology Forum (NETF), the Executive Committee of the National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAC), and the National Board of Accreditation (NBA). The guest of honor, Shri Dinesh Kumar Shukla, Chairman of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board (AERB), also graced the event. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now joined by Professor Falguni Gupta, Vice Chancellor of GLA University. Welcome to the Media Scoop TV, sir.
Thank you.
So, Professor Gupta, this year marks the 13th convocation at GLA University. What message you would like to share with the 2024 batch and the current students?
Dear outgoing students, I would like to congratulate you for your success. Now you will start a new journey in your life. We have our best wishes for you. Please remember that you have a lot of work to do in future. Always be honest in life. There is no alternative of hard working. Your hard work will always lead to a success. Remember, your success is the success of your parents and the university as a whole. At the end, I, on behalf of the university, wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for joining us. On December 6th and 7th, GLA University's Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering hosted the 3rd IEEE International Conference. The event brought together experts, researchers and students to discuss the latest advancements in technology and communication. The chief guest of the conference was Professor Manoj Singh Gaur, Director of IIT Jammu, and the guests of honors were Mr. Rajesh Gupta, Senior Director and Country Head of AMS AG, and Vikram Bishnoi, Head of HR at Sterling GTech E-Mobility Limited. On November 23rd and 24th, GLA University hosted Srijan 2024, the annual national level inter-school event. Schools from various districts of the country participated in a range of activities, showcasing their talents and creativity. The event was a great success, providing an opportunity for students to engage in healthy competition and demonstrate their skills. In addition, the opening ceremony of Srijan 2024 also marked the launch of GLA Times, the university's official and largest monthly newsletter, in collaboration with the university's youngest club, GLA Media Scoop. This publication will keep the GLA community updated with the latest university news, events and achievements. GLA Times was unveiled by Professor Anup Kumar Gupta, Pro Vice Chancellor, GLA University, Professor Amit Agarwal, Director of Admissions and Branding, and other university officials. The University Grants Commission (UGC) has introduced biannual admissions in India, allowing students to join universities in January and July every year. This move gives more flexibility to students for starting their higher education. GLA University is now accepting applications for the January batch in BBA, BCA, BTech in Computer Science and MBA. Don't wait, apply today to build your future. And now, it's a wrap for the first episode of GLA Media Scoop TV. We hope you enjoyed this month's highlights. Stay tuned for more updates in next month's bulletin. This is Anmol Nagpal from Team Banding signing off. Thank you for watching.